math teacher. A hearty welcome to all listeners, viewers, and especially the students of class 7, 8, 9, and 10. In this virtual class, which is being live telecasted by Times Television and sponsored, organized by Dhanusha, NPEPSON and PEPSON organizations. From today onwards, I have been allotted 2 periods. First part, half an hour, I will continue set theory for class 9 and 10. And later on, for class 7 and 8, I will start one new chapter, algebra. So first of all, and first turn goes to class 9 and 10. We are discussing the fundamental concepts related to set theory. Today, we are going to discuss about the major relations that is implemented in set theory, which is often called verbal problem. Verbal problem. Listen this. First go through its words. In class 8 also, you may have studied, or those students who are watching right now, in BLE examination of class 8, you will have to face, or you had faced, such question in group C, that is question number 12, belonging to set theory, long question. And in a SE examination, those who are going to appear or studying in class 10, he or she may face in group C question number 11, that is long question of 4 marks. What does it mean? Verbal cases. Some of questions are given in terms of language. We have to recognize, we have to pattern them in set language. It means whatever the informations are given there, that should be represented in set language. Obviously, you may find in question written there, father says, suppose that is beyond the set theory. Father says is 2 times of its son. You have to formulate it in form of equation. Same way, this can be written in equation form, father is equal to 2 times of his son. If father is x, son is y, then we used to say x equal to 2y. But in set language, in set theory, you will face written there, 50 students are there who passed in at least one subject. What does the at least mean? At least one subject. Some of you may see there, 50 students passed in at least. Little bit difference there. That we are going to discuss right now. First of all, that is, we have, concentrate here, and if you have taken, or in front of you, if you have kept your assets, copy, pen, whatever necessary, you can copy it. This is very essential, and I assure you, I guarantee you, one question of 4 mark must come in your any examination. That is first number. In a question, if you find written there out of, or written there in a group of, or written there whole participants, under this circumstance, every members are collected there. That's why they are considered as, these entire terms, whatever I have written there, are considered as N of U, cardinal number of universal set. That one is. And What are the formulas to be used there? What we are going to discuss right now. This is terminology in language, and this is terminology in set language. So NU, concentrate here. This refers there. Better we go through an example by Venn diagram. I will rub it. See here. If I write here, if I take a set A only, and these elements of set A as well as those elements which are not in set A, this whole, and except these portions, when these two different portions are added together, we will get the entire rectangular portion. That entire rectangle is considered as NU. So this gives us one relation. What is that? Anywhere you can use it. That is NU equal to a cardinal number of a set. Let me write there a set a plus cardinal number of its means whatever the set is there. If I write here A, there will be is complement. That is the concept here. You can write there like this way also. NA plus NA complement. If you have given there NU, for example, N of A union B a plus NA union B whole complement. Is it possible? Same thing I have followed here. A set as well as its complement. त्यो लिनुस् जरुरी छैन मैले यहाँ युनियन लेखे युनियनै हुनु पर्यो, ए को चर्चा गरे त्यही हुनु पर्यो, इन्टरसेक्सन र इन्टरसेक्सनको कम्प्लिमेन्ट जसले के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ त्यो सर्वव्यापक समूह अर्थात् त्यो युनिभर्सल सेट जनाउँछ. This one you have to understand there. And beside this, some of them, if you have the relation like this way in place of NU, you may have studied, or right now we are going to discuss again. That is NA union B. In place of this, N only A plus N only B plus NA intersection B plus leave it as it is. No need to disturb it. In another language also, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B plus this as it is. You can create yourself some formulas there. I hope you should have understood it. Next one, that is in set language, you will find written like this way. This is very common. What is that? If I am going to consider here two non-empty sets, A and B. A and B are two non-empty sets. So considering A and B, we will write here at least one. ध्यान दिनुस्, at least one भनेको के कम से कम एउटा बोझबोते रुताकेर के भन्छ कम से कम एउटा लिनुस् के हामी एउटै लिएर सोध्दैछौँ अझै पनि इच्छा छ भने दुईटा लिन सक्छु तीनटा लिन सक्छु depends on number of sets. There will be at least one, or you may find there either A or B. ध्यान दिनुस् यो word either A or B, or written there A or B or both. Go through the example. यहाँ A B लिए मैले त्यहाँ क्वेशन आधारमा जानुस् त्यहाँ हुन सक्छ म्याथ्स इंग्लिश अर्को यो A for apple B for ball यो एप्पल बनाना कुनै त्यस्तो बनाएर पनि लेख्न सकिन्छ. So we conclude there by these three different observations. They represent an A union B only. An A union B. And what formulae that we know about it? An A union B equal to, what do you know about it? Some of them you can write NU minus NA union B complement. Some of them you may write NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. You may write N only A plus N only B plus NA intersection B. One formula that I am going to prove for you, and try to prove all of you yourself. Let me do. This formula is derived from that relation by algebraic balancing equation procedure is implemented here. If we shift this RHS term toward LHS, obviously you will get the result of outcomes of NA union B, which is equal to NU minus NA intersection. That I have written there. Proceeding the next one, the second one, go through an example. Diagrammatic representation there. Let me do. Here we have a Venn diagram having the operation of two sets, that is A and B. We have discussed about it while studying about the Venn diagram. Two sets are considered, A and B. They are non-empty sets, overlapping sets. Some portions are common there. Intersection, the value of intersection exists there, not equal to 0 there under this circumstance. So, move further now. Discuss about it. This formula we are going to represent here. While an A union B, simply A union B, what do you know about it? Let me indicate it. This portion, this portion, this portion, this entire portion. So in place of this, these are dependent formula. One formula will be proved with the help of other formula, that is dependent method. एउटा प्रुभ गर्नको लागि हामी अर्कोको हेल्प लिँदैछौँ. यो प्रुभ गर्न अर्कोको कसरी गर्ने हामी हेरौँ यसलाई एकछिन ध्यान दिएर. NA युनियन B यो LHS को टर्म छ, अर्थात् यो पुरै पोर्सन हामी लिइरहेका छौँ जसमा which can be written as, see here, यो टुक्रा 1 नम्बर को टुक्रा, 2 नम्बर को टुक्रा र 3 नम्बर को टुक्रा. Can I write here N only A, this portion, plus N only B plus this portion and A intersection B. I hope you should have understood it. भाइ बहिनीहरु हेर्नुस्, A union B भनेको के हो? यो पुरै भाग हो. जसले यसले के यो भाग जुन हामीले यहाँ लेखे, जसले अब के जनायो? यो 1 नम्बर को भाग, यो 2 नम्बर को भाग र यो 3 नम्बर को. अर्थात् 1 भन्नाले N only A, 2 भन्नाले N only B, 3 भन्नाले इंटरसेक्टेड पोर्सन जुन यहाँ छ. अब हेर्नुस्, गेस गरौँ. N only A भन्नाले के बुझ्छौँ हामी? यो N only A, यो पुरै एकछिन ध्यान दिनु होला यसमा. यो पुरैबाट यदि हामीले यो इंटरसेक्शन भएको पोर्सनलाई एलिमिनेट गर्दिए, सबट्र्याक्ट गर्दिए, व्हाट विल अकर देयर? भन्नुस् त के होला? अनुमान गरिसक्नु भयो होला भाइ बहिनीहरुले. के लेख्छौँ हामी? N only A को सट्टा यो पुरै A बाट म के घटाउँदै छु? यो निकाल्नको लागि के घटाउनु पर्यो? अर्थात् 1 3 नम्बर को रिजनबाट म 3 नम्बर को रिजन माइनस गर्दै छु. Instead of this, can I write here N A minus N A intersection B? Instead of this, I have written this whole. अब भाइ बहिनीहरु सोच्नुस् त यसको बारेमा सोच्नुस्. तपाईहरु सोच्नु भयो होला मलाई 2 नम्बर को कोठा मात्रै चाहियो. 2 नम्बर को कोठा. म 2 3 नम्बरलाई समग्रमा यदि संयोजन गरेपछि मिलाएपछि 2 3 को कोठाबाट 3 हटाइदियो भने मलाई के रहन्छ? 2 नम्बर आउँछ. अर्थात् के लेख्नु पर्ने मलाई? N B minus N A intersection B. 2 नम्बर कोठा र 3 नम्बर कोठाको संयुक्त भागबाट 3 नम्बर कोठा माइनस गरियो. That's why this entire term, this whole are written there instead of this B. And leave it as it is, the last one, whatever we have. अब algebraic relation use गर्नुस्. Fundamental algebraic operation. के हेर्दै छौँ यो दुईटा सेम छ. Can they be eliminated? Plus minus. Our result के आयो? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. That we are going to prove here. यो डिपेन्डेन्ट हो। कसरी डिपेन्ड? दुईटा फर्मुला हामीले युज गरे, गेस गर्नु होला। कस्तो? यो फर्मुला प्रुभ गर्न यसलाई युज गरे पहिलो सेन्टेन्समा। अब N1 लिएको छ त फेरि यो लेखे हामीले, बुझ्नु भएको होला। यसरी गर्नु पर्यो। अच्छा, अब अर्को आयो। यसैले हामी एउटा फर्मुला हामी प्रुभ गर्न गइरहेको छु, 10 टा रिलेसन छ। यो 10 टा रिलेसन बुझ्नुभयो भने अति महत्त्वपूर्ण अभ्यासहरूको लागि यो अति महत्त्वपूर्ण छ र आउने एसई एक्जामिनेसनहरूको लागि पनि युजफुल छ। नेक्स्ट मेथड दैट इज इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट मेथड बाई लिस्टिङ मेथड। एलिमेन्टलाई कन्सिडर गर्नुस्, लेट गर्नुस्, जे मन लाग्छ त्यस्तै। सिम्पली वी कन्सिडर हियर सेट ए इक्वल टू, अहिले ध्यान दिनु होला, यो अपरेसनल रुलमा इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट स्वतन्त्र रूपमा राख्दैछु अहिले हामी। एन ए बराबर लिँदैछु एबिसी। बढी इच्छा छ बढी राख्नुस्, ठाउँ कम बोर्ड सानो कम एलिमेन्ट लिएर गर्दैछु हामी। सेट बी इज इक्वल टू, लेट मी राइट देयर सी डी ई एफ, अझै लेख्दिएँ। नाउ यो टर्म क्यान यु से ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी के होला? यसमा दुईटैमा के छ? साझा सम्पत्ति दुईटैको। कुन एलिमेन्ट छ जसमा जुन दुवै सेटमा प्रेजेन्टेड छ? बेटर सी देयर one of the element that is C. Obviously we can write there C. Again A union B, think about it. यो दुईटाबाट निकाल्नु हामी के निकाल्न सक्छौं? गेस गरौँ। A plus A B C D E F युनियन त निकाले। अब हेर्नुस्, यसलाई हामी कन्टिन्यू गर्न गइरहेका छौं। A union B इज इक्वल टू, लेट अस सेग्रिगेट। अब स्वार्थीको काम जस्तै छ यसमा, मिलाउनु चाहिँ ए बी र इन्टरसेक्सन जस्तो। ध्यान दिनुस्, कसरी इनोभेट गर्नुस्, आइडिया लगाउनुस्। पहिले ए छुट्याउनुस्, ए बी सी छुट्याए। अब के बाँकी रह्यो हामीलाई? डीईएफ प्लस डीईएफ त कुनै सेटमा यहाँ छैन, न ए छ न यो बी छ। बी को लागि एउटा सी पनि हुनु पर्यो। Let me write there C D E F, concentrate। अब जहाँ जे मन लाग्छ त्यो त गर्न पाउँदैन। एउटा हामी बडी एलिमेन्ट हेर्दैछौँ, आइसक्यो। गेस गर्नुस् कुन एलिमेन्ट यसमा र यसमा मिलाउनुस्, कुन एलिमेन्ट डबल अकर गरेको छ? Clearly we see this A B D E F, they are individually taken from the above extracted set, and only this element C is written twice. So why don't we, if it is represented in double form, so we need to subtract at one time. I hope you should have understood it now. Move further. Can we write there A union B equal to, what does this represent? There we have, this is set A plus, what does this represent? This is set B minus this. Just we have operated here, that is A intersection B. So obviously we can write this is set of A intersection B. Now come to the point here. If two sets are equal, that we have studied. If two sets are equal, what does it mean? के हुन्छ? दुवैतिरको इक्वल छ, LHS र RHS इक्वल छ। Two sets are equivalent। म कहाँ के भन्न गइरहेको छु? ध्यान दिनु होला। मेरो टार्गेट चाहिँ यसमा के उद्देश्य कि दुईटा सेट यदि इक्वल भयो भने त्यसको कार्डिनल नम्बर पनि इक्वल हुन्छ। सपोज A equal to A B C and B equal to 1 2 3, are they equal set? Never. But are they equivalent? Yes. Why? Because here these two sets having equal cardinal number of numbers. Obviously we can mention there. Move further. Now we are going to representing these sets under this circumstance. यही मेजर रिजन थियो यसको। दुईटा LHS RHS सेटमा इक्वल भयो भने यो पनि त सेटै हो, यो पनि यसले A union B निकाले हामी सेटै हो। If two sets are equal in cardinal form, obviously equal in elements, then their cardinal form must be equal. So taking or representing, let me write this sentence, representing these sets in cardinal form, केही सोच्नु छैन। अब यसको कार्डिनल बनाउनुस्, नम्बरमा लिँदैन, जेनरल रुल, इन्डक्टिभ रुल, द्याट इज कल्ड एन ए युनियन बी इज इक्वल टु एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस एन ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी। केही गरेन, त्यो सब सेटको अगाडि अगाडि के लगाउँदै गए, एनफ लगाउँदै गए। आई होप you should have understood it. Any formula you can derive yourself now. Copy गर्ने बानी छोड्नुस्, create गर्ने बानी बचाउनुस्. I hope now. Now move further. This way I am going to rub it. Altogether we have 10 different rules. And next one, that is next topic that we have to discuss about now, the third one, A as well as B. Written there, both A, B and AB pani, यसरी पनि, A and B presented in both the sets. What will occur there? What do we know about it? आशा छ मलाई गेस गरिसक्नु भयो होला मेरो भाइ बहिनीहरूले। के सोच्नु भएको छ, यही न, एन ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी हो, साझा हो, कमन पार्ट हो, यही हो। अब यसको फर्मुला मैले त दुईटा डेराइभ गर्न सिकाएँ भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई, यसलाई आफै प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु होला कसरी डेराइभ गर्ने, के रिजल्ट, मैले यसको रिजल्टहरू लेख्न गइरहेको छु। लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट इट। एन ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी, Venn diagram, which portion is said to be A intersection B? Concentrate, A, B. This one, A intersection B. Can we write यो पुरै whole बाट, from this entire whole set, पुरै बाट भर्खर पढ्नु भयो फर्मुला, अहिले त्यहाँबाट हामी अल्जेब्रिक रिलेसनमा एन ए युनियन बी इज इक्वल टू एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस एन ए इन्टरसेक्सन बी पढे। अब यसलाई यता ल्याइदिनुस्, यसलाई उता लगिदिनुस्। One formula can you write from here? This shift this term toward LHS and this term toward RHS. Obviously this becomes N A plus N B minus N A union B. Understood? Same way. The next one regarding this A intersection B. अब हेर्नुस्, हामी यदि यो पुरै सेटबाट from this entire set, यो सेडेड गरेको कोड हेर्नुस्, this shaded यो पुरै entire बाट single shaded portionलाई हेट हटाउँदै छु, this portion only, even though we can obtain this one. Can I write here N A, हेर्नुस् यो पुरै A minus N only A or N not A, N only A or N not A can be written there. Better you read it N only A. कसमरण हुन्छ, N not भन्नाले कभी कहिले काहीँ हामी उता कम्प्लिमेन्ट तिर पनि जान सक्छौं. This is considered here. You may derive some more operation also. Next one, see here, this part equal to यो पुरै र यो पुरै जोड दिए, यो त दुई पटक आइहाल्यो, अनि यसलाई हामी के गर्दिने, यो होल प्लस दिस होल डिवाइडेड बाइ 2. obviously you will get the result here. माइनस गर्नुस् पनि एउटा फेरि माइनस गर्नुस् अनि घटाउनुस्. I hope you can do yourself. Otherwise अर्को तरिका लगाउँदाखेरि पनि हामी गर्न सक्छौं कि N A union B बाट only A घटाइदिए, only B घटाइदिए. It depends on, जरुरी छैन एकैटा फर्मुला पढे त्यहीबाट पनि हाल्छ. You can use N A union B minus N only A minus N only B. I hope you should have understood it, or understanding better now. Now, same way, so often you will see the fourth one, that is at least or exactly exactly one or only one, set of only one in both यस्तो कन्डिसनमा एउटा चर्चा गरौँ यहाँ एटलिस्ट कम से कम एक मात्र यही भागको लेख्दाखेरि जस्ट नाउ we see here these two unshaded portion, these two but it presents at least एउटा मात्रै हुने एक्ज्याक्टली वन ठ्याक्कै एउटा एप्पल मात्रै खाने कुन होला भाग यता त के भयो केही नखाने यता पर्ने बियोन्ड एबी यता के भयो बनाना खाने यता के भयो बुखर सब दुईटै खाने कस्तो आयो यो मात्रै एक्ज्याक्टली एटलिस्ट कम से कम एउटा और ओन्ली वन इन बोथ एउटा मात्रै दुईटैको एउटा मात्रै दिस इज कॉल्ड n only a plus n only b and you know n only a means n a minus n a intersection b plus n only b means n b minus n a intersection b. Operate it. We can write correction n a plus n b minus 2 times of n of a intersection b. Use this one. Otherwise, listen, from this whole यो पुरैबाट intersection यो सेट गरेको भाग हटाइदिनुस्. We can write a union b minus n a intersection b. This is called there. Understood? अब उता हामीले यसले हाम्रो प्राविधिक मित्र मलाई घण्टी बजाएर संकेत गरिरहनु भएको छ कि सर तपाईको आधा घण्टा सक्यो. So till now I hope the remaining topics we will discuss tomorrow. Remaining topic whatever we have there and prepare this. जति पढ्यौं हामी त्यसलाई फर्मुलालाई डेराइभ गर्ने आज प्रयास गर्नु होला, त्यसलाई आशा छ. पुनः हामी आधा घण्टा पछि भाइ बहिनी कक्षा 8 र 7 का भाइ बहिनीहरुसँग प्रत्यक्ष सरोकार हाम्रो हुनेछ, भेटघाट हुनेछ. ल आजको लागि यतिकै. धन्यवाद.